الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. It's me, Miss Mariam, and I'm your subject teacher of science from the Educators Farooq Glass campus. Starting our lecture, first we will recite dua. Kindly raise your hands for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Ameen. Okay class, as we have done our chapter number 1, so now we will start our next chapter, that is system. Class, what do you understand by the system, or what is mean by the system? I can explain you the system by when different components or different members combine with each other and they all perform different types of functions. All together it is known by the system. Okay. To understand our lecture, first we will perform an activity. Look at here. What is this? This is a pencil. And what do you do by this? You do your work in your copy with the help of pencil. Okay. Now look at here. Pencil consists of different parts or not? Yes. There are different parts that are present in the pencil. Look at here. First, what is this? This is the lead of the pencil. Okay. With the help of this you can write. This is the wooden part of the pencil, and this is called as a metal part of the pencil which holds the eraser in it. So this is a pencil, and you do your work with the help of pencil, and pencil consists of different types of parts. So these parts combine together and form a, like pencil, plants also have a system, and animals also have a system. Like pencil, plants also have a system, and animals also have a system. As well as you use computer at your home, computer also have a system. How? There are different parts that are present in the computer and all perform different types of functions, such as you mouse of the computer, keyboard. So there are different parts that are present in the computer and they form a system. As well as plants and animals and we human beings also have different types of systems in our body that performs different type of function. Like plants. Plants have different types of system. Plants have roots, leaves, stem, fruits. They are the components of the system, and all together they form a system. As well as animals also have system, and we human beings also have system. We have nervous system, we have transport system, we have breathing system, we have digestive system, we have muscular system, as well as we have skeletal system. And these systems will combine and form our whole body. Students, let's come on board. We were discussing about body systems. The body system has different types of systems. First of all, nervous system. What is the function of nervous system? It carries messages. Breathing system helps us to breathe. Digestive system. This is the system that digests our food. Transport system. It transports blood. Muscular system helps us to movement. And last one is skeletal system. And what is the function of skeletal system? It helps us to move. It helps us to, and it provides support to our body. Okay students, these are the systems that are found in our body. Okay students, this is your science book, book 5. Now open your book and take out page number 12. Here what is system, as I have explained you with the help of a pencil. This is the metal part of the pencil, this is the wooden part of the pencil, this is the lead of the pencil, and this is the rubber, and rubber holds by the metal part of the pencil. So this will hold form a system. As well as I have told you the example of computer. Now look at here, animals are system too. Animals have systems too, and they are made up of different types of parts that all work together and form system. Look at the photograph. Here is the kitten, and it has a different types of parts, such as it has legs, it has eyes to see, it uses its ear to hear, and its nose to smell. The kitten's leg has to move, as I have told you, from place to place. Inside the kitten's body are many more parts. These are the external parts, and inside the kitten also have internal parts. Inside the kitten's body are many parts that help it to carry out life processes such as breathing and digesting foods. As well as I have told you the example of plants. Plants also have a system, and its system consists of leaves, stems, roots that are present inside the soil, and some plants also have fruits and flowers. So like that, plants also have a system. You don't draw these diagrams, you only write description, and then you will write question answers. You will write question number A. Question A, how does the system work? Explain with example. Question B, name two systems that work in a plant. Question C, what parts do different systems play in keeping a human being alive? The system I have told you. And you will do question D, what makes it possible for you to make different kinds of movement. Okay students, your homework is, first you will make the title page of chapter number 2 and then draw the chart from page number 24 as I have told you. Then you will do question answer A, B, C, D in your copy. Class, I hope you have got my lecture. Stay safe, stay at home, take care.